You have 6x square plus 19x plus 3. First step in my standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. I will identify my a, my b, and a c. Tell me, what is your a?
6.
A is equal to 6, b is equal to 19, and c is equal to 3. So because a is greater than 1, a is a different number, I'll have to multiply a times c, which is 6 times 3. How much? And this product, that product 18 will be written here, right? That product 18. And what is the sum? Sum of 19. You have very good, very good. Awesome. So now you have a sum 19 and product 18. There is a difference of 1. So to find the factors of 18, the best thing is take a 1, right? 1 is a factor of 18. So 1 times how much is 18? 1 times 18 is 18 only, and 1 plus 18. See, this is how you can figure out when there is a difference of 1 between the sum and the product, right? Whenever you have 1 as the difference between sum and product, this is the easiest way. Okay. So now, yeah, good.
Okay, so what if that's like that's 20 and that's 19?
Here 19 and there 18. Still, I'll take a 1. 1 times 19 is 19. 1 plus 19 is 20. So it is not working. So definitely you should have here something like a negative. Then this will be there. So whenever it has a real solutions, it will be adjusted accordingly. The problem will be given to you in the same. It's a good question. So there is a chance of getting a negative signs in some scenario. Right? But luckily here, everything is positive and it is working. So once you decided on your numbers, I'll go to my box method, which you all like, right? If not love it, just like it. Okay. In my box, the first term is the first 6x square. And what goes in the last box? First term first. Last term. Now the middle term will take 19. And that 19 you have to distribute between these two. And how do you do that? 1 and 18. See, this is where you are applying your 1 and 18. My students there. Hey. Okay. So it is 1x and 18x. See, 1x plus 18x, the same 19x. We didn't do anything wrong. Let us move forward. Now, horizontally, you'll see the common factors. What is the greatest common factor between 6x square and 1x? What do you see common between them? I am seeing x and x. That's the only thing I am seeing. 1 is there for every term, every number, right? So I'll write down x here. From 6x square, if you separate x, you still have 6 and x, right? On dividing it, you see, divide by x, x remains with the 6. So x times 6x, and this, tell me what goes here now? X times how much? x times 6x, and here x times 1. Say 1. Next, between these two, 18x and 3, what is the greatest common factor?
6.
How can 6 divide 3? 3. 3 divides 3 and 3 divides 18. So 3 divides 18x how many times? 18x divided 3 is how much?
6.
Very good. So I'll write 6x, and I'm also seeing that it is matching up already. And same way this 3 is 3 times. See the wonderful pattern here. Like, you didn't think about the other set of common things here. I'm talking about this 6x, you see. This 6x lines up with 6x, 1 and 1, right? So you got a x here, the common between those, you got a 3. When you go up, you got a 6x, and this is a 1. Now your answer, the factors are what? 6x plus 1 times x plus 3. Awesome. Questions, comments?